The ocallcoo electric tooth cleaner uses high-frequency vibration to break up stubborn tartar and stains more effectively than manual scrapers while still feeling gentle on enamel. Its smart safety design activates only on hard surfaces, so it works on plaque but pauses on gums, which makes at-home cleaning feel reassuringly controlled and painless. 4 distinct intensity modes and a built-in light let you tailor the cleaning to sensitive teeth, braces, or even older family members while clearly seeing what you are doing. The rechargeable battery, long standby time, and compact form factor make it easy to keep this cleaner ready in the bathroom or toss it in a travel bag without fuss. A water-resistant body that can be rinsed directly under running water simplifies post-cleaning maintenance and keeps the device feeling hygienic between uses. The included replacement heads, stainless steel tools, and mouth mirror turn this into a complete home dental kit that helps you reach tricky spots you usually rely on a professional visit to address.